Have you ever wondered how your body works like a perfect, living machine? Every moment, countless tiny processes work together, silently and powerfully, to keep you alive. From the beat of your heart to the thoughts in your mind, from your breathing to the movement of your muscles, your body is an extraordinary masterpiece of nature. Today, we'll take a fascinating journey through human physiology, the science that explains how your body functions, adapts, and supports you every second. Grab a comfy seat, take a deep breath, and get ready to discover the incredible symphony inside you. Let's start with your heart, a strong, tireless muscle about the size of your fist. It beats around 100,000 times every day and pumps about 7,500 liters of blood daily. The heart's job is to push oxygen-rich blood to every corner of your body. This blood travels through arteries, while veins carry blood back to the heart. Tiny vessels called capillaries allow oxygen and nutrients to pass into your tissues. Imagine running a marathon. Your heart rate increases, blood vessels widen to supply more oxygen to your muscles, and your breathing speeds up. Without this perfect coordination, you wouldn't even make it to the first kilometer. Interestingly, the heart has its own electrical system that creates the rhythm of your heartbeat. This is why it keeps beating, even if temporarily disconnected from the brain, at least for a short while. Next, let's explore your nervous system, the ultimate control center. Your brain, spinal cord, and billions of nerves together form a lightning-fast communication network. Neurons, the cells in this system, send signals at speeds up to 400 kilometers per hour. When you touch something sharp, sensors in your skin send a signal to your brain. The brain processes it and sends an immediate response to pull your hand away. This all happens in milliseconds, even before you consciously realize it. The brain itself is a true marvel, weighing about 1.4 kilograms but using up to 20% of your body's energy. It controls your memory, emotions, breathing, and movement, and even releases chemicals that affect your mood. Did you know that when you feel love, your brain releases dopamine and oxytocin, chemicals that make you feel happy and bonded? Or that when you are scared, your brain activates a fight or flight response, making your heart beat faster and muscles tense, ready to react? Breathing, something we often take for granted. On average, you take about 20,000 breaths a day. Each breath brings oxygen in and pushes carbon dioxide out. The real magic happens in the lungs, where it travels down your trachea and bronchs, into smaller tubes called bronchi, then into tiny air sacs called alveoli. Here, oxygen moves into the blood, and carbon dioxide moves out to be exhaled. If you've ever climbed a mountain or run very fast, you know how important oxygen is. At high altitudes, there's less oxygen, and you might feel dizzy or tired quickly. Breathing deeply can calm your mind, slow your heartbeat, and reduce stress, a technique often used in meditation and yoga. Now, let's talk about what happens when you eat your favorite food. Digestion starts even before you take a bite. The smell and sight of food can make your mouth water. When you chew, enzymes in your saliva start breaking down carbohydrates. Food then travels down the esophagus to your stomach, where acids and enzymes further digest it. Next, it moves to the small intestine, where most nutrients are absorbed into your blood. The liver and pancreas release special chemicals to help digest fats, proteins, and carbs. Finally, leftover waste moves to the large intestine and is eventually expelled. All of this is controlled automatically, allowing you to enjoy your meal without having to think about how to digest it. Your bones and muscles form a strong and flexible framework. You have 206 bones and over 600 muscles working together. When you decide to move, your brain sends a signal to the muscles, telling them to contract. Muscles pull on bones, creating movement. Even tiny facial muscles let you smile, frown, or express surprise. Bones also store minerals like calcium and protect vital organs. For example, your skull protects your brain, and your ribcage shields your heart and lungs. Strength training and regular exercise keep muscles and bones strong, preventing injuries and keeping you active as you age. Your immune system is like a personal army, always on guard against bacteria, viruses, and other threats. White blood cells patrol your blood and tissues, destroying invaders and remembering them to fight faster next time. Meanwhile, the endocrine system acts as a chemical messenger network, using hormones to control growth, metabolism, sleep, mood, and more. Glands like the thyroid, adrenal glands, and pancreas release these powerful chemicals into your blood, influencing almost every function in your body. All these systems work together as one seamless, perfectly synchronized orchestra. Understanding how they function helps us appreciate our bodies and motivates us to take care of them. Eat balanced meals, exercise regularly, sleep well, manage stress, and avoid harmful habits. These simple steps can keep your internal machine running smoothly for years to come. Next time you feel your heartbeat, take a deep breath or stretch your arms. Remember, your body is performing a complex symphony of actions just to keep you alive and thriving. Thank you for joining us on this journey inside the human body. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay curious and take care of the amazing machine that is your body.